I'm here to show realtors how they can work from home and have a successful real estate business with the support of eXp Realty. Hi, I'm Sherilyn Hoffman and I'm with eXp Realty. I'm going to show you 5 ways eXp supports their agents in a virtual cloud-based world. Number 1, the eXp world is available during business hours and from anywhere. The eXp world is a platform that allows agents to log onto their laptop or their PC and immediately connect with their broker, an accountant, a marketing department, or an IT department. The realtor does not have to leave their home in order to accomplish any of these tasks. Number 2, eXp offers a concierge service for the agent's first 365 days. The concierge service helps the agent navigate the platform, navigate the software, and even figure out how to set things up and how to ask questions and how to get their marketing and their branding created. Number 3, eXp offers exceptional tech support. You can log into the eXp world and speak with an IT staff member within seconds. They can help you connect your printer. They can help you figure out the audio or video on your computer or laptop. They are there to assist you in anything. Number 4, workplace groups. Workplace is an awesome platform that is created by Facebook. Workplace is basically the LinkedIn version of Facebook. Workplace allows agents to network worldwide. This is very beneficial to agents because this is another revenue stream of how they can receive referrals. Because eXp is a worldwide company, we can network with agents anywhere in the world, in or outside of eXp. So Workplace is a great platform for that. Number 5, there are state broker rooms that each agent can contact their state broker. Many states have multiple state brokers, so you can always be in a group chat with multiple brokers, and whoever answers you first will be able to help you right away. Number 6, eXp Enterprise is another platform is where agents can go to order and create their marketing. They can go to create new signs. They can go there for social media graphics. They can go there to check their income. They can see how much shares they have in their stock. They can go there to find preferred companies who help them with finding lenders, an iBuyer program, or even home inspectors. So eXp Enterprise is basically the agent's dashboard, which keeps everything organized for them as far as their money, preferred partners, and their shares and their marketing supplies. If you'd like to learn more about the support and services eXp offers its agents, click on the description below and visit my website. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive notifications on my next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or feel free to give me a call or send me a text at 931-436-3552. I hope to see you soon on social media or in person. Follow me on social media at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. Have a blessed day.